Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Amalia Hidayat. I'm from Pasundan University, Communication Science major. And then in this video, I will present material about drugs. Okay, let's get started. First, I will explain what is a drug. Drugs are material or substances that can affect a person's psychological conditions. That are things, feelings, and behavior, and can create physical and psychological dependence. Okay, and then drugs are further divided into several, namely, they are narcotics, psychotropics, and other hazardous substances. Start with narcotics. Substance or drugs, whether natural, synthetic, or semi-synthetic, which can cause decreased or altered consciousness, loss of taste, pain relief, and can lead to dependence. And then narcotics can be divided into three types. Class 1 narcotics has a very strong addictive power, a very dangerous group that is only used for research. Example are marijuana and opium. And then class 2 narcotics has a strong addictive power, a very dangerous group. And then class 2 narcotics can be used for treatment and research. Example are pethidine, methadone, and morphine. And then class 3 narcotics has mild addictive power and can be used for treatment. For example is codeine. And then next is psychotropics. Psychotropic substances are drugs that work to reduce brain function and stimulate the center, causing reaction in the form of hallucination, illusions, thinking disorders, mood change, and cause addiction for someone who consumes them. And then psychotropics can be divided into four types. Class 1 psychotropics has a very strong addictive power and is useful for treatment, but unknown, and its efficacy is being researched. Example are ecstasy and LSD. And then class 2 psychotropic has a strong addictive power and is useful for medicine and research. Example are amphetamine and methaqualone. Class 3 psychotropics has moderate addictive power and useful for treatment and research. For example is Lumibar. Class 4 psychotropics has mild addictive power and useful for treatment and research. Example are nitrazepam and diazepam. Next, another addictive substance. Substances are another substances than narcotics and psychotropics which can also affect the psychoactive human body and can cause addiction, including the following. And then that are drinks alcohol, inhaled substances or glue, and then nicotine or cigarettes. Next, I have presentation about types of drugs which are mostly many people use. That are hashish, methamphetamine, and then ecstasy. And next, many portraits of the drug problem in Indonesia. First, Indonesians are open geography, make it easy for drugs to enter and spread throughout Indonesia. Second, the law enforcement system that has not been able to provide a deterrent effect to drug criminals. Third, a prison that has been transformed into a drug trafficking control center. And then last, lack of facilities, and accessibility of rehabilitation service for drug addicts. And the next is physical characteristic of drugs users. First, defecate and urinate less smoothly, drastic weight loss, and eyes look sun and red. There are many more physical characteristics of drug users, but I only describe some of them. Okay, next, behavioral traits. First, lazy and often forget his responsibility. Second, often have bad dreams. And then third, uncaring attitude and away from family. And then last, always running out of money. Okay, next, trait emotional of drugs users, very sensitive and easily bored, hallucination, and then erratic appetite.
Let's watch the following drug abuse video.
Okay, that's all my explanation about drugs. Guys, I hope we are hide drugs because your future is beware. And then I'm sorry because there are still many shortcomings from my presentation.
And thank you for your listening and see you.